Doesn't require any power, just fresh water. Pump it up to get a good pressure. That gives you the square, and off you go.
I was hoping to put a 6-lamp scratch plate on.
What are you cleaning off, Mike?
I had a big oil leak, so I've just splashed plenty of carb cleaner on the thing to get the heavy oil off, and the rest of it I'm taking off with wishy-washy and some very liquid. Yeah, it was from the start of the race right through to lap 2. I was having, should we say, traction issues, resulting in several oh shit moments. And then I looked at my foot, which was slipping off the footrest, which is a bit of a clue. And I had a load of oil on my boot.
No timing, nothing like that, just a bit of fun.
Yeah, this is the large-headed brush. Definitely the small-headed one would be the thing to have on, but unfortunately I neglected to bring it with me, which is a shame because it's literally just screws on and screws off. So. Wood Daddy, not just for cleaning dogs.